Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix preview pane missing or not working Windows 11. First method is open File Explorer. Click View, click Show, click Preview pane. Click three dots, click Options, click View tab. Check Show Preview Handlers in Preview pane, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.